and I put my thumb in it and it's gooey. Is this like literally like legit like just an eyegloss? Because this says it's a highlighter.
What the hell is that?
I put it on my cheek. It says it's a highlighter. That does nothing. It's just like tacky. Like, why would you want that on your face? You would think it's like a primer or something, but it would say primer. It says highlighter. No, that's going back.
Because it doesn't do anything.
Okay. I expected more from that. Okay, that's a lot of fallout. Can you guys see that? That's chunky fallout. Sweet Jesus. It's Lacey Elizabeth. We are here today at Toronto's Sherwood Gardens because Mario himself, yes, Makeup by Mario, just dropped a brand new makeup line and we're here. We're gonna go into Sephora, we're gonna pick that up, bring it back to the studio and test it out. Come with me. So we are back in the studio. We just got back from Sephora. I'm so excited because we got stuff. This is now a beauty haul, if you will, of Makeup by Mario. This is amazing. Like, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I went all out. I got like almost, not quite, but almost one of everything. All right, let's do an unboxing and I'm gonna show you guys what this stuff looks like. Okay guys, this is extra. This is a lot. This is gonna be probably a 3-part series because literally he put out 3 palettes and I mean that one, it's just, oh my gosh. Let's go in here and unbox. This one says Eyes. I believe this is one of the palettes. Ooh, pretty. I like the packaging. Okay, I like that. There's a lot of shimmers in this one. This is very pretty. I'm living for that green right now and the gold. This is a very fall palette. Like, I love this. Very, very pretty. This one also says Eyes. This is the Master Secret Glow Highlighter. Okay guys, first impressions, I literally thought there was nothing in the pan. It looks like a clear pan and I put my thumb in it and it's gooey. This is like, I'm just gonna swatch this. This is like a gloss. Can everyone see that? It's on my ring finger. Is this like literally like legit like just an eyegloss? Because this says it's a highlighter. But if I put that on my face, that's just a gloss. There's no color in this whatsoever. Like, this is just clear. I know it looks silver, but that's literally the reflect of the pan. Like, it's solid clear. This is the Master Secret Glow Highlighter. Not impressed with this one. Let's keep going. So this one here is the Master Metal Manipulator, and this is the mixing liquid to go with one of the palettes. So let's take this out of the box. Okay, so you've got the spatula and you have the manipulator. Okay guys, I literally just unboxed everything. This is what I picked up. Let's have a look at it. So I picked up one of the highlighters. I picked up all 3 of the palettes. I picked up the manipulator right here, which goes with this palette. Kind of loving this, that there's like a little tray here for mixing that pops right out for washing. Like, that's everything. Like, I think that's so awesome. There we go. So that goes with this. I feel like this should have come as one though, instead of buying it separately, but that's just my opinion. So these are the brushes right here. They are amazing, like so nice, and I can't wait to start using them. The only thing that, this is a pet peeve of mine, but there's nothing wrong with the brush. Like, I mean, the brush is stunning. Like, I love this brush. It's dual-ended. I don't like dual-ended brushes because I'm that girl that just likes to plop her brushes in like a glass jar and, you know, call it quits. Like, you can't just like plop that in there because you're gonna ruin one end, so you have to kind of lay it like this in your drawer. Therefore, when am I ever gonna reach for this? Do you know what I mean? Like, that's my thing. No hate, but like, I prefer like a brush that I can just like, you know, plop in a drawer like this. It is me. That's just me, my thing. Okay, so we've got the brushes, we have the eyeliner, which I swatched here. We've got this one right here. This one is the eyeliner for inside. Oh, that's nice. That is so nice. This is for on your waterline to brighten your eyes. So this eyeliner right here, I opened it up. This one is like a little smudger brush. Nothing else on the market has an end like that, so I'm kind of curious to see what that's like. I can't get this open. Oh my god, there. Okay. That is the tip. Oh, that's beautiful. That is like so amazing. I'm looking forward to that. Loving that. Ooh, that formula. Yes! Mario. Yes. Okay, that. So we've got the brown, obviously. We've got the black, same thing, tip right there. That formula is everything. Ooh, that is so nice. Can you guys, right? Yes. So again, this one has that fun little brush tip on the other side for smudging it out. I'm just like, I've never seen that. So I'm just like interested in testing that out. This is the highlighter. So he actually dropped 3 shades of this particular highlighter and then the other one, which, and the gloss that I applied right here. So this is tacky and sticky. I'm not living for that one. It's not for me. I'm not one for an eye gloss, and I just picked up everything I saw pretty much. So that's giving me no reflect. It's just dewy. And if you like that sticky feeling on your face going from powder to tacky, it might be for you, but this I'm excited for. So I'm actually just gonna try this. I'm going to swatch this. I'm gonna swatch this right here on my wrist. That is very glittery. That is very glittery. I don't know if that's for me necessarily. I don't like having big chunks of glitter on my face, but it's pretty. It's very pretty. Don't hate it. I'm gonna try it. This is the Master Eye Prep and Set palette in light, and this is his primer kit. So you got 2 eye primers here, and you have this powder at the bottom. So this is really great for eye brightening. Can't wait to use that. This one I'm so excited for. This one is the Master Metals eyeshadow palette right here. Like, this is everything. Like, I'm so excited with this one. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys. I'm gonna have to use my inner arm, so hang on. These are stunning. They're all very reflective. I love all of it. So loving this. Can't wait to use that manipulator with this. This is the Master Metallics palette, and this whole palette is shimmery. So like, can you see that reflect? Like, that is stunning. I'm super excited. I'm not gonna swatch all of them for you guys, but I will swatch a couple. I'm gonna swatch this dark charcoal one, and the green, and this blue. Wow, that is pigmented. Okay. Okay, Mario's not playing around. That is for sure. Like, I figured as much, but that is really, really nice. I'm gonna keep going in. Like I'm just gonna swatch all of them now. I want to. So this is the gold. This is the pink. I just got a text. Oh, that gold is everything. That pink. The brown, like that's stunning. Like Mario's not playing. Like this is like legit amazing. Right? Like, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That is amazing. Like the colors in this palette are phenomenal. Like honestly, for metallics, shimmers, whatever you want to call it, like it is so pretty, like so pretty. Like Mario, yes, you did it. It's amazing. Love it. And affordable. Like for what it is, I thought the price was decent. This is the Master Mattes collection by Makeup by Mario. Like honestly, I'm so excited for this. So this is going to be great for autumn, great for fall with all the browns and the tans, and I am so excited for this because if this formulation is as pigmented as I think it's going to be, like this is going to be everything. Smoky eyes, like this is everything. So I'm living for this. Let's test it out. Okay. Definitely not playing around with these formulas. Like that's pretty. Okay, so that first row isn't as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, but I mean, obviously that row is more like transition shades. So I was hoping for a little bit more payoff, but at the same time, let's go in and swatch that second row. Okay, kind of lackluster. It's not swatching the greatest. So kind of disappointed. Let's go in with that last row and swatch those shades. It's a very autumn palette. It's very fall. I'm not mad at it. I think they're really amazing formulas, and obviously it's gonna blend differently on my eyes. I was hoping for a little bit more punch, like a little bit more, just a little bit more extra, a little bit more something, because it's Mario. It's not giving me that. Like these colors are beautiful. I don't hate it. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna do like a little smoky eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I went in, I applied just the matte shades to the eye. I went in with the perfect brown and I put that on my eye as well as the Pat McGrath mascara that I love so much. And that's the eye look. I'm gonna go in now and do a quick eye look with this Master Metallics palette and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go in with this Master Crystal Reflector Highlighter by Makeup by Mario. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the eye look I created with the Master Matte palette. This one right here. What do you guys think? I like it. Like honestly, the matte, like the all matte look, like I'm living for that for the fall. Like very, very cute. So kind of love it. And this is the eye look I created with the Master Metallic side. So I went for green and gold. Okay guys, tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to smash that notification bell, smash that like button, and subscribe. All right guys, I'll see you next time.